welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri, and today I have my special delivery Taste of Home box, which I saved for you guys. I have not opened it at all. I'm super excited to get in here. But first, let me just say, I did a review on one of these. I don't think it was the last box. I think it was the one before that, and a viewer pointed out to me that it was not an objective review, that it was more of a Pampered Chef comparison. So let me just say, I have a lot of tools from everywhere. I use all kinds of kitchen tools, whether I find it at, Bed Bath & Beyond, Pampered Chef, or wherever it is. So in my opinion, it was objective, but I guess to other people it wasn't. But I do use a lot of Pampered Chef stuff, and I think that they really do have some of the best products on the market. If you own some Pampered Chef, you probably owned it for a very long time. You still have it, and it's lasted. And again, I think they're really, really good products, and so that's why I signed up. That's why I'm a consultant. So it's hard for me to kind of open the box and not compare if there's a product that's very similar to one of ours. So with that being said, I'm still getting in this box because there are things that either we don't have or that could be made better than, what the Pampered Chef is. Not very often. Usually I like the Pampered Chef better, but sometimes there's some pretty cool stuff in here. And you guys know I love the cookbooks that come in here. I always get a cookbook. I haven't got a box yet that doesn't have a cookbook in it. So this one is the fall box. We love the country. So there's always a newsletter in here. I don't really open that up yet because it'll give me everything that's in here. Okay. These are microware mini bunts. So they are mini bunt pans and they are for the microwave. The only reason I knew what this was right off the bat was I just bought these at Aldi's and I haven't tested them yet. So I can't tell you how well they work. I don't really know exactly what material this is. I have no idea what material this is. It's like a plastic to me, but whatever it is, it's microwavable. So, and it's the exact same material that the ones I bought at Aldi's are. So if this works, the other ones probably work. So I'll have to use these on a video. That's what we'll do. I'll set these aside. We'll use them on a video. Let's see what else we got. Coffee. I got coffee in the last one. And because I use my Keurig all the time, I haven't tried it yet. So I think I'll use it even though it's not a coarse grind, I'll probably use this in my Pampered Chef cold brew pitcher is probably what I use this for. I can't smell it. I can't smell it through there. All right. A spatula turner. Full function, style, and reliability. I don't really know why it's so small. I will say this, though. Pampered Chef has one, and I have used this for just a couple of things. The thing that I find this to be most useful for, and I'm not sure if the one I just got will work for this, is Pampered Chef has a brownie pan, and it makes all the individual brownies. I think you get like 16 of them in there or whatever. And this fits in there just perfect. It also is a perfect fit for something else. Oh, the granola bars. When I made the granola bars one day, this actually fits down in those little slots. So this isn't exactly this, and this is my point behind this is that's the only thing that I have found this to be useful for is Pampered Chef items that this goes with. So this, I'm not sure that I would use. You guys have to let me know what you think, though. Again, I try to be objective. But, unless I had a little teeny tiny pan, or maybe I was trying to save on space, like maybe in my camper or something, this might be something I put in there. I don't know. Maybe I'm not giving it full thought yet. What is this? This is something I have not seen. Silicone pressure cooker rack. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is a trivet. So Pampered Chef's pressure cooker has a stainless steel, I believe, trivet that goes down in there. So it has little legs on it, and I'm able to set a pot on top of that. And that's good and bad. What I like about this is it doesn't have the legs. It doesn't sit up. This is just like gives me a little, if I want to lift something off the bottom of the pan, I can, and I can set it on here. So if I put like a whole chicken in my pressure cooker, I can't put it on the trivet because I don't have enough room. But with this, I might be able to. And that would keep, the bottom of the chicken kind of from scorching on the bottom of the pan, I guess. It says ideal for roast, poultry, fish fillets, and vegetables. Oh, that's a good idea too. Yeah, maybe if you wanted to cook something and you needed to get like a little bit of air around it, like vent it. I don't know. I only kind of worry about that when I use my air fryer, I think. Pressure cooking is a whole different ball game. But I'm going to give it a try. Yeah, Pampered Chef doesn't have anything like this, so that's cool. And we have measuring cups because I only have like 7 sets of measuring cups. But aren't these so cute? They look like little teeny tiny mixing bowls. So I don't know. This might go in a gift basket at Christmas time because I have so many measuring cups. I don't know if I'll save these. But these are awful cute. I like the way they nest together. And you could also use these for serving bowls. And I think they'd be really cute too. Ketchup or whatever. We got a Good Cook biscuit cutters. That is so funny because I just ordered biscuit cutters off of Amazon and I got like a set of 20 of them. And I ordered them because I'll have to open these up and look. But I don't know if I will though because I just ordered biscuit cutters. They were double-sided. So the one-sided is fluted like this. So you got like the fluted edge on your biscuits. And the other side was plain. And again, there was like 20 different sizes. So I'm not sure that you can use both sides of this. I'm going to say that you can. But yeah, it looks like a decent product though. I just happened to have just bought them. What is this? Bunt brush. Oh, Pampered Chef does have one of these. I don't know whose would be better. Okay. I'm going to say that for this reason, let me just get the other one out here. So here is Pampered Chef's brush, just to give you an idea. Oh, and it's got something. You can see what I used to clean it, and I don't know what I used. I guess I was trying to get something out of a pan. But the end of this is almost kind of, I wouldn't call it flexible, but it's bent a little bit where this one isn't. So I don't know which one of those. And you can tell that the bristles are different also. So I will have to use these like side by side to see which one. This one says it's the ultimate though. The ultimate. Oh, this is saying it's for a bunt pan, I guess. The ultimate bunt cleaning tool. Yes, because it's by Nordic Ware, and I have like 3 or 4 pans that are on my wish list that I really, really want, like bunt pans that have different designs. So yeah, that's exactly what this is for. I would have never have thought to use it for a bunt pan, but that was a great idea. I've used it for all kinds of stuff. You guys see me use those salad choppers that I used to chop chicken with, and I don't have a dishwasher, so sometimes it's really hard for me to get in tiny places and clean. So that's why I probably have 3 or 4 of these brushes. So I will keep this one as well. But yeah, that's a great idea to use it for a bunt pan. And then, oh my gosh, I got a hardback book this time. I think this is the first hardback book I've gotten. They've all been paperback. Farmhouse Favorites. This reminds me of, what is her name? Joanna Gaines. She has the Magnolia Journal, and she has a couple of cookbooks out, and this really puts me to mind of that. Yeah, this is a lot different than a lot of the Taste of Home. I must have probably 20-something Taste of Home recipe. I can't think of what they're called. They're called a cookbook. Recipe book. I must have about 20 of them. This is like a completely different format, which reminds me, I have I don't know if it's an outline or a rough draft of a cookbook that I'm going to be coming out with. So I'm super excited about that, but I'm not going to give away any details on that. But anyway, I like this. So you guys have to let me know what you think about all the products in here. Overall, I really like what I got, but I'm super excited about the cookbook as always. So I thank you all again for watching. I'll either see you tomorrow or Thursday for the start of October, and we are going to do some Halloween stuff. So I am super excited for that. So I will see you guys then. Thanks again for watching. Bye.